The upcoming GoPro Hero 13 is set to make waves in the action camera market, with an expected release date in the middle of the year. As the industry grows increasingly competitive, especially with companies like DJI and Insta360 making strides, the GoPro Hero 13 must stand out to maintain GoPro's position at the forefront of the action camera landscape. This article delves into the leaked details and speculations surrounding the GoPro Hero 13, exploring what makes this model potentially revolutionary and what GoPro needs to achieve to remain a leader in the market. Rumored features and upgrades. An overview. The GoPro Hero 13 is rumored to come in two modular variants, the Hero 13 Black and either a Hero 13 Black Pro or Hero 13 Silver. This dual model strategy offers users a choice tailored to their specific needs, a significant departure from GoPro's usual approach. The primary distinction between these models is expected to be the sensor size, allowing users to opt for a version that best fits their photography and videography requirements. Battery life and charging speeds are also expected to see significant improvements. These enhancements will enable longer shooting sessions and reduce downtime, allowing creators to capture more footage with less interruption. Additionally, the inclusion of a more powerful processor is set to unlock higher bitrate recording, providing enhanced image quality and opening up possibilities for more sophisticated video effects such as slow motion capture, enhanced image stabilization, and AI features. The GoPro Hero 13 is anticipated to bring significant improvements in image stabilization, an area where GoPro has traditionally excelled. Enhanced stabilization technology is crucial for capturing smooth, professional-grade footage, especially in action-packed scenarios where vibrations and movements are inevitable. Low-light performance is another area where the Hero 13 is expected to shine, particularly in the Pro model. Improved low-light capabilities will allow users to capture clearer, more detailed footage in dim environments, a valuable feature for adventurers who often find themselves shooting in diverse lighting conditions. Sensor and resolution upgrades. A key talking point of the GoPro Hero 13 is its rumored use of a 1/1 3-inch sensor, a format that balances image quality and stabilization. This sensor size is larger than that found in many action cameras, suggesting that the Hero 13 will deliver more vibrant colors and sharper details, enhancing the overall viewing experience. The improved sensor is expected to work in tandem with advanced stabilization technologies, ensuring that footage remains smooth and visually appealing even in high-motion scenarios. In terms of resolution, the Hero 13 is speculated to support 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, a significant upgrade from previous models. Meeting the expectations of GoPro enthusiasts, the GoPro Hero 13 has the potential to redefine what an action camera can achieve. If the rumored features come to fruition, it will not only meet, but possibly exceed the high expectations of GoPro enthusiasts and content creators. To achieve this, GoPro must deliver a product that seamlessly integrates advanced technology with ease of use. A balance of cutting-edge features, intuitive design, and reliability is essential to appeal to both professional videographers and everyday users. The competitive landscape. Staying ahead of DJI and Insta360. In recent years, competitors like DJI and Insta360 have made significant strides in the action camera market. These companies have introduced innovative features, improved image quality, and offered competitive pricing, challenging GoPro's dominance. The Hero 13 is GoPro's response to this growing competition. With its rumored features and upgrades, the Hero 13 has the potential to not only compete, but also set new standards in the industry. To stay ahead, GoPro must continue to innovate and listen to the needs of its users. The Hero 13 represents an opportunity for GoPro to demonstrate its commitment to providing top-tier products that meet the evolving demands of content creators. By focusing on quality, functionality, and user experience, GoPro can ensure that the Hero 13 stands out in a crowded market. Conclusion: a new era for GoPro. The GoPro Hero 13 is poised to be a significant release in the action camera market, with the potential to set new benchmarks in terms of performance and features. As we await the official release, the pressure is on for GoPro to deliver a product that lives up to the hype. The stakes are high and the action camera market is more competitive than ever. Will the GoPro Hero 13 rise to the occasion and secure GoPro's place as a leader in the industry? Only time will tell, but the anticipation surrounding this new release suggests that it could indeed be the biggest upgrade yet for GoPro.